money and then me one banana, we should just trouble the whole of them. You understand? So nobody know the inside of our own sadness. And I am just making her hear our voice and hear that, you know what, regardless of what people might say, she's broken. And you see, I don't know if anyone ever hear this before, where them say a man or a woman is drowning, they catch after straw. So right now, anybody go to her and say, oh, we're going to do this or we're going to do that, she just latch her and probably because she probably just don't have, she just weak. You understand? She can remember enough. And now, I belly pain, regardless of the circumstances. And obviously, I am a man. Me I'm gonna have back pain with me. But every woman will have a belly pain with like child supposed to know, say, yo, that I want different kind of connection. You hear what she just said, quiet? Just said she hope and pray that our son is still alive. So when you hear something like that, you have to say, you know what? To God be the glory, and only God can give her the strength. So yes, I think she should be there. But if she's not there on the search, I personally wouldn't gun her down. And that's just my opinion, okay? I wouldn't gun her down. No. I'm just to put it out there and let people know that, you know, she's broken. That people are aware she's broken. She's a broken lady. And as I said, I heard, and that's why I sent action to go by her this morning, because I don't like to go by things that I heard on the media. You understand? And I see a screen record with they was gunning her down, and I said, come on, give her a break, you know? Nobody who has not have a child that missing can come and tell people about a child that missing. If you never have a picnic go missing yet, you can't talk about it. You understand? You can say you understand to an extent, but you don't know about it. So, you know, big her up, man. Big her up, because I remember. She phoned me and she was crying her eyes out, saying that she can't cope no more because somebody was telling her that they find her son. You understand? And way. I said to her, I said, no, stop. That can't be the case, because if that's the case, the police, regardless of what, they would have to inform you first before they put it in the news. So nothing go so, cause you know this time, you know, you're so eager to get a little piece of hope, a little piece of news, a little piece of something. So then everything you get, you run with it, and then you mash up your brain, you shock up your brain. You know, like you want a iPad for Christmas, and you get one parcel looking like a iPad, and your mind tell your body and your spirit says a iPad in, and when you pull it, I know one iPad, I want nose pad. You feel disappointed. You know, so when you keep getting news, and then all of these news is turning out to be, you know, it's devastating. No, back to the where Shan was saying, guys. I'm gonna tell you something. I mean, understand what Shanna is saying, that she show a lady and this is a Perth Drive. One picture and the lady say yes. Me, I gonna make sure I put my disclaimer out if I'm right, yes sir. Right? And me not say Shanna lie, but me I tell you say me no believe. And I have rebel come over here so and tell me say Jayden, grandmother, see Jayden. I mean, tell Rebel same thing. Tell Rebel same, I don't believe. Don't believe. And I feel like, you see, that principal need to pack up his seat and go in a jail, because him come out with that first narrative there, come say that Jayden seen after Friday evening. I mean, I believe it. I don't believe it. We do not believe it, because first and foremost, right? Let me tell you something, guys. Tuesday morning, right? Tuesday. So count with me, because my English teacher teach me maths. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Everybody say, even your crocodile say when she watch the footage in a mega mart, Jayden walk out in the rain. You know why me play the footage, this video I can hear? So you're telling me now, you're telling me that this little boy have on the wet uniform from Friday, Saturday dry upon him, Sunday dry upon him. I want to see him on Tuesday.
I go.
Unless the people that will take him where beard him and give him clothes and put him in uniform for go to school. Unless that is the situation.
Did you hear on the media that they said that the principal was suspended?
Me see it well, Shansa she here on Facebook.
A lie. Him not suspended. Somebody called there and verify he's not suspended. I just got that update. I just got that update.
That's why I'm telling you, say people, uno make, we do the GoFundMe when me are telling you, and me keep on forget the right update because I not look no views and the like. A matter of fact, 3 people in our life when I follow me. Guys, don't follow me please and thank you. Because if you don't follow me, I'm a boy right now, I'm tired and I want to go sleep. So guys, me ask you if you follow me there, please and thanks. And let me tell you something, I not beg you no money to go buy no food. Because I show no my cupboard now, I have food in there, I have chicken back in there, I have dumpling in there. I not beg you no money to buy food. All I say, we want to have a little pan where we can watch it, govern it, so we can get people like Price, money to go where we want them to go. We have Shan, who is a family member. You understand? You get where I come from? So when people are burn me out and I said this and I said that, you know if you say no, because me never come over here come do no false story yet. Because me and Shanda, we dig till people have to tell us if we put on the pick and the shovel. That's how we dig half of the scene and half of the year. You understand? Because me here, Shanda tell me she here on Facebook. And yes, don't get me wrong, we think that principal needs to step down. A matter of fact, we don't want him to step down, we want him to step it behind the bars. Because I feel that's where that misconception that come about and see Jayden and his staff member, see Jayden and Jayden run the bush. People, let me tell you something, I'm not buying it. Yes, you know, say if that little wicked liar woman they will say she see Jayden and see picture. I wonder if that woman they did white, because white people think every black people look alike, you know. So try to tell me if that woman they did white for no Shan. Because let me tell you something. If you are going to tell me, say, the auntie see her on the camera, walk out in the rain, out of Mega Mart, yeah? And then you are going to tell me, say, 5 days after that, you are going to tell me, say, you see this little boy with him clothes tucked in, I went to turn up and sleep? No, come here. I turn up and sleep. Let me tell you something, I'm not buying none. I'm a matter of fact, I never come over here so because anything you know sell me not buy, not even trust me not just see. You don't know my style already, you know. Why you feel so then go?
Hello.
Tiger, me a whole me myself and I on the defense of the principal. I still don't believe the principal was involved.
People may come back.
I have anything to do with it. Me know everybody are gonna cuss me out. But when the principal came out and spoke, I believe the principal was only going based on the information that he was getting, because we were on the live and Shan knew, and we were getting the same kind of information. Because I got information from a hairdresser friend of mine that her colleague saw him. We got information from the lady. We got information from the person who owned the farm store. We got information from the principal about his staff. I think the principal was only going by what he heard at the time.
Yes, but who told him? The family? Because he said speak to the mother, and the mother can tell, he speak to the crocodile, and the crocodile tell him about designated driver.
Exactly, so that's what I said. He was going by the information that they were giving him as well.
So half of his head, he's spreading false propaganda, false news.
And the principal says
him because it's the power that comes behind his tongue shift the narratives. Because after him come out and blow the first piece of story, a lot of people catch a breath and so we can breathe aside.
But Tiger, all of us are guilty of the same thing, you know, because Shan would have been on the official live with us. She can't speak. We were getting the same information and we were saying the same thing. We were divulging the same information to the public that the principal was divulging. So we were telling people that he was seen here and he was seen there. So we're all guilty of it.
Welcome. What you are failed to understand. I said yes, I accept what you're saying, but the principal get it from the family.
The principal
said different. You get it from off of social media. The principal get it from the old crocodile.
But he said he never know the family.
That's what. He didn't know them like that.
But Tiger, it was the same family it from on the live at night because the family was coming up to update us, so it was the same family we were getting it from.
Don't know the family, and then when you find out the principal know the family, so that means that the principal is a liar because him saying know the family, and then he come back now that the principal familiar with the family. So what is it going to say?
Price, you see, you say if there were screenshot, you say if there were hold on the Tiger, you say if there was screen recording of us and the initial, Shan can tell you, we would have been found just as guilty as the principal.
Let me ask you a question. So who you think tell the principal that Jayden have skills can survive? Who you think tell the principal that?
His staff, who is the cadet leader, who definitely would have observed Jayden.
The man not start cadet yet. The man just start asking.
So okay, hold on the price. So as a principal, then if you're going to spread out all of this information, you're supposed to know that Jayden has only been to your school 1 week. I'm sorry, I apologize, 1 month. So as a principal, a big man, probably a father, you're going to tell me, say, a cadet leader, I'm going to tell you, say, a little boy will start come a cadet 2 weeks of all these skills, and you go to a road and go put you out a road like a gospel? Seriously?
Because at the time everybody was doing media interview, just like how Anne come out and declare herself, the principal come out and declare himself, Shan come out and declare himself. Everybody came out and said something and said their little part.
So if he come out at the time because he do media and say him fire two bullets in a little boy, we don't come back and say no, and media and that do so. No. He can't get away like that. He cannot get away. He's got everything to do with this.
What he should have come out and do, you know, is say that based on what I transpired at the time or what was told to me, this was the information. Because I can stand and say that at the time when we were on the live, the only reason why we are not found as guilty as the principal, even Shan herself, if she wished to agree, the only reason we're not found as guilty as the principal is because there's no screen recording of or live. I can tell you that because when it was told to us that he was seen on Wesley Drive, he was seen around where DC was, we were telling the people all of these things. We were also telling the people that a lady saw him.
So hold on, welcome. Hold on. At what point was these people telling us that them seem like how early on in when Jayden go missing was this?
Shan?
1 week after, 2 weeks
just
after?
Days. Days. Ask Shan if she remember the exact time, because sometimes I don't remember the exact time. This was just days. When that principal gave that interview, that was about the Tuesday after Jayden went missing. When that interview was, when some of his interview was early on in the first week.
So Shan, do you know that there is a young man at Bel Air look just like Jayden? Would have walked on that same road. Do you know that?
A price, and that's why we later. That's why I said he should.
I am asking you, do you know?
Yes, I know because I saw the video on YouTube, and I even said it to Shan that this is the child that they misidentified for Jayden, and I have said it to Tiger. So what I said is that the principal, I don't believe the principal is involved in any way or form of Jayden being missing, but because he was told the same information as us, and because he was told about that same child, because I saw the YouTube video with the child, and it wasn't Jayden.
Well, Mr. T worked for Mr. Gabriel. Wherever he works for Mr. Gabriel. And Mr. Gabriel said he don't know Mr. T. He don't know Mr. T family. So what is it you know I say? Why would you come out and tell such a lie? What is it there to hide? So, you go withdraw the man now from the whole scenario and conversation that he had with the
Because
people?
working for somebody does not mean you know everything. You don't know if he
listen
works.
to me.
You don't know if
Listen to
they
me.
come by association through the church where he has seen him on the
But
law.
we are there.
You don't know if he come by association through the Ministry of Education. You don't know how the association is formed.
Welcome.
No.
Welcome. I can't
We are there,
accept
we are
what you
there.
did I said
We are
before,
there,
but
we are
you
there,
see
we are
this
there.
part, I can't accept that part because they specifically asked them, do you know the family? And he said no. He could have differentiated but say, well then, I don't know them to a certain level, just based, you understand? But he blatantly said him not know them, none at all. It's just the fact that they could pick come at the school.
Ministry. I don't think the Ministry of Education would have paid Mr. T for go clean up Mr. Gabriel yard. Me not think so. Alright? I mean, I think the Ministry of Education would have paid Anne to have Mr. Gabriel number in her bosom that she could have called him at that time of evening. Be somebody we don't know somebody for her missing nephew. And not the farm teacher and not the guidance counselor.
Price, that does not, you have
No.
no proof
So me
that
can't
you have no proof that Mr. T clean up Mr. Gabriel yard. You have none. You only told you that I'm boss. You have none.
Yeah, we don't know. Mr. T told me that he works for Mr. Gabriel, and I ask you.
Well, to back that up in the interview with Mr. T and L.A. Lewis, there's a part in that interview where Mr. T said, and I tell you now, I'm already who are my wife boss. He said that. So that could mean that him and L.A. them probably was talking off camera, as we surprised to say. I'm not backing it, but I say, if I go back to that interview with LA and Mr. T, he did say that, I'm going to tell you already, I'm a theme boss or I'm wife boss. He said that. So it could be a possibility. He did give them the information as to who directly that person is.
I don't know, possibility. He told me.
I'm just saying possibility because I didn't hear it for myself.
No, me hear for myself, so I defend for the fact that he had told me. So you see, when other people come out and really a reason, and there are reason with doubt and speculation, whatever I say is credible. Me not tell lie. Remember, me tell Mr. T, I'm going to take him from under the gun because me did a beat him. He said,
I also heard, surprise 1 minute, I also heard that the Jayden father work up there as well.
Okay.
Up at the house, up at Perchy, because Jayden father is must say a carpenter. Yes, so him do handiwork up there, up at the whatever house up there. So
that's the house of
yes, allegedly.
The house of poetry where everybody keep associating the principal with where that is not owned by the principal.
It is not his. I talked to the investigation officer. It is not Mr. Gabriel's house. The house is in somebody else's name, but it is who in charge.
Him probably be the overseer of it. And we at Jamaica know said enough time. Like me will have media overseas. Me can have businesses at Jamaica and me have my best friend overseas. So it could be a case so that man now back it up and I'm just saying that could be a case as well.
Well, until without proof.
Sergeant, I talked to the detective sergeant, a male young man, and I would have got all those information to declare. And they have gone to the home to search it too. They go search it.
Tiger, play about the something with Mr. T and L.A. Lewis. When Mr. T did that set apart there to L.A.
Which part?
The part where they must say, like, he might tell him who are the person who are in boss.
Wife boss.
Yes.
I heard that Shanda him not have to play back.
Because even L.A. Lewis come out and say the same thing where Price says the principal. The whole of them did that.
That's not what L.A. was saying. L.A. was trying to say it is actually the principal who owns the place and helper tell him. I was on the line.
So let me ask you a question because right now I don't even know that it. Me not fight on your opinion. That's your opinion. That's fine. But me I say the principal is guilty as sin. Right now, you just pack up in my guy. I'm not fighting your opinion. I'm not going to stay at the wall and argue your opinion. If you say if the principal not guilty, that's fine.
Yes, my stance is